Picture this. A resident reaches out to a property manager because there is water damage caused by the apartment above. The resident gets frustrated because the request automatically goes into the property manager's voice mailbox. With no immediate response to resolve the issue, there is much frustration and anxiety. The resident can't help but leave multiple messages with the property manager, even though the property manager may already be working on resolving the matter behind the scenes. Frustrated, the resident contacts a board member to intervene. What a mess! Property Management Tracker, or PM Tracker, is a third-party subscription service that assists in receiving, documenting, and tracking building issues. Speaking with a live person by telephone, or using virtually any computer device, residents can open a new ticket and receive updates. As soon as a resident reports an issue, the property manager and board members are notified immediately. Anytime the property manager makes comments or states an action plan, the resident is notified. PM Tracker improves communication. This causes fewer problems and less anxiety by keeping everyone in the loop. It's a simple, cost-sensitive, and streamlined system that fixes complex communication problems. Contact us for a free demo or a free trial. It takes minutes to set up your building with PM Tracker. You may reach us at 844-PM-TRACK or email us at info@pm-tracker.com. That's 844-768-7225 and info@pm-tracker.com. Thank you.